These mountains are part of the Cascade Mountain Range, a range of mountains running from southern British Columbia through northern California. The Cascade Range contains numerous volcanoes, such as Lassen Peak, Mount Shasta, the recently erupted Mount St. Helens, and even Crater Lake, the former site of a huge volcano which exploded, leaving this large caldera, which eventually filled in with water. You decide. What force formed these volcanic mountains? The movement of lithospheric plates is responsible for forming these volcanic mountains. Geologic activity, like earthquakes and volcanic activity, typically occurs where these plates meet, called plate boundaries. As we already stated, plates are in a constant state of slow motion. Two plates interact with each other in one of three ways. They can move away from each other, move toward each other, or slide past each other. The arrows on this diagram of the lithospheric plates indicate the direction the plates are moving at some plate boundaries. Off the coast of Oregon, Washington, and southern British Columbia is a small plate called the Juan de Fuca plate. The place where it meets the North American plate is called a convergent boundary. A convergent boundary is a place where two plates collide. The Juan de Fuca plate is an oceanic plate and is denser than the continental North American plate, which overrides it. The process of one plate plunging beneath another is called subduction. As a result of this process, magma is forced to the surface, leading to the formation of volcanoes. Subduction zones are often referred to as destructive zones because the oceanic lithosphere is destroyed in these areas where it is subducted. Deep-sea trenches are common characteristics found in subduction zones. The Japanese islands are the result of magma being forced to the surface as a consequence of subduction. Encircling the Pacific Plate are areas of convergence, leading to the formation of volcanoes. For this reason, the area is often referred to as the Ring of Fire. The Ring of Fire is also known for intense earthquake activity. When continents converge, as is the case of India and Asia colliding, mountains often form. Along this convergence zone, the highest continental mountains in the world, the Himalayas, were formed as the two plates collided and compressed up the crust. This process is similar to pushing a carpet against a wall. See how folds are formed? Simulating the process by which mountains are formed by colliding plates.